how are you? Heather Weiner here with another sample box. We have our fall 2024 sample box, which is being received now, and you can still claim yours too. So as always, we start with a nice little letter from me, telling you what's in the box and thanking you for everything. And on the back is a survey, which please do answer and give feedback. Our vendors really would love to know your thoughts on the products that are here. And we do give you a return envelope there, so we make it very easy for you to send it back. Thank you so much. As always, you do have some literature here, and then there's also coupons and other things, so enjoy that. And let's dig in. Let's see what we got. Let's see, from Enzyme Medica, we got some Heartburn Soothe. Such an awesome product. We actually just did a webinar on this about a month ago or so. You can still catch it on our website at WholeFoodsMagazine.com in our education center and learn more about this great product for heartburn. So there's lots of natural alternatives for a big problem in this country. Peak protein. I am loving these guys and these products. They are like one of the most delicious bars I've ever had. And it's all organic whey protein and just wonderful new bars that are out. They gave us a little sample pack of both of their bars. They have a chocolate peanut butter crunch, which is delicious. And then also we have an almond butter amaretti, which is also delicious. So these two, enjoy them. And they have some literature in here too. Some nice little package of these bars for everybody to enjoy. And next up we have Boron. Boron's been such a good participant and they're in almost every sample box. And this one is an Aconitum melt away pellets, a homeopathic remedy as always. And this one is for fever relief. With cold and flu season coming, it's definitely something. So it says it's up for fever up to 102 degrees Fahrenheit or sudden onset. So great for fevers for adults and children. We have from Ocean Blue, we have our Everyday Omega. They've come on the scene and they're small, they're mini, they're easy to swallow and just a wonderful Omega, great packaging, a nice little bottle. So a really great product there. Country Life has given us a nice little sample pack of products here. Let's see what's inside. We got some omega-3 honey gummies, adults multivitamin gummies, real food, whole food multivitamins for men, and here's one for women and a few other things, and a coupon here too. Thank you, Country Life, for this awesome pack of goodies. Thank you. We have by Longevity by Nature, Colagel. Such a great product. This is for brain health. It's jellyfish collagen peptides. Such a useful product. They've been around and you really will enjoy this, especially to remember everything. Then we got some snacks too. Thank you, Now Foods. We got some cinnamon honey almonds. These sound delicious. I'll have to dig into those later and then take some Heartburn Soothe maybe. And we got also some salted caramel almonds from Now Foods. Thank you so much. These look absolutely delicious. So excited. From Quercetin from Natural Factors. It says 10 times higher absorbencies. It's a lipo micelle matrix. I'm a big fan of Quercetin. Great for this time of year as well. So thank you so much to Natural Factors from Quercetin. Spry gum. They've been around. They're such a good it's sweetened with xylitol, so it's good for your teeth. Healthy. It's a healthy gum for your teeth and good oral health, and it tastes great, and it is sugar free, no aspartame either. So thank you, Spry by Clear. Wonderful product. I'll pack it of gum. It's a new product on the market. Entratil. They gave us, and we got little bands go with it. It's relief from occasional bloating, abdominal discomfort, and changing in bowel habits. So lots of things to take care of our gut health here. Thank you. Moving on, we got another little stack from North Coast Organic. We got organic fruit and veggie applesauce. This is great to sneak in some veggies, I guess, with your kids. My kids love applesauce, so they've been really liking the North Coast. So nice little sample pack. Thank you. Next up, we got Global Healing. We love Global Healing, and this is their Oxy powder. Such a great product to help with some digestive cleansing too. And so digestion's been a big thing on this box here. But an excellent product. Thank you, Global Health. Then next up we have Life Extension, aged black garlic. Garlic is so good for cardiovascular health, and black garlic is a little bit different, but excellent product. Thank you so much from Life Extension. And we got a few more left. From Michael's, we have Anti-Sid, an after meal ally that supports healthy digestion. As we said, digestion's a real trend here in this box here. So thank you so much for Michael's. We're going to all have very healthy guts and microbiome. Next up is from Aurora, liposomal vitamin C. Liposomal, they were one of the first on the market with liposomals, and they've been doing really well. And this is their 10-pack of Aurora vitamin C liposomals. And last but not least, we got Manuka Guard, honey Manuka sinus spray. Again, allergy season, things are kind of bad, so mine have been killing me. I'll have to definitely try this later. But some Manuka, 5 Manuka honey mist to help clear out your sinuses. Sounds wonderful. Thank you so much, Manuka Guard. And that's a wrap for our fall 2024 sample box. We will be doing another one in spring of 2025, so that'll come out in March. So get ready for that as well. But in the meantime, you still can claim this box here, so please do and enjoy it. And please do fill out that survey. We really do appreciate it, and so does everyone that has given you these nice products too. So thank you very much, and see you soon.